Hello folks, welcome back to the sixth day of my Advent of Code stream. I'm Liz Leray, and this is my 7th year of Advent of Code, 4th year of streaming it, and I am delighted that we are I'm both delighted and sad that we're more than 20% of the way through Advent of Code. We've completed 5 days so far, and the puzzles have all been about underwater theme this year, which is particularly exciting. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I'm a little bit tired, but for a different reason than yesterday. Yesterday I was tired because of my chronic fatigue. Today I am more tired because I had to do a little bit of work on the weekend. I was doing a workshop for some clients in Australia, some of whom may actually be joining us because I sent them the link to where I was going next. Hi, Eric. So yeah, I've just gotten off of a couple of hours of teaching a workshop about observability, which is what my company does. We're actually on the sponsors list, so please check out the sponsors list here, and we are Honeycomb. So you can click on this link here to get the link to our giveaway, or click on any of the white papers or anything, or you can just go to honeycomb.io if you just want to learn more about our product. So yeah, I was doing a little bit of work for my employer because the client is in Perth, Australia, which is a brutal, I think, 8 or 9 hour time difference. So it was their 9 a.m. and it was my 5 p.m. when we started. Hi, Viwu. And no, I didn't have to do the workshop upside down, although I guess technically speaking, I'm going to be somewhat upside down from you all. Hi, Elf Girl, Sarah. Yeah, I'm going to be somewhat upside down from you all, I guess, when I'm in Australia in January. I get to Sydney on January 1st, and then I immediately am expected to do 72 hours of quarantine, which is completely reasonable because they're trying to keep out Omicron. So thank you for joining me in doing these wonderful and lovely puzzles. I have gotten a little bit of a late start with my prep, so I'm going to go take care of that really fast. I'm not going to bother updating GoTip. I trust that it has not changed very much, and I don't have time to update my Go compiler right now. They will eventually cut the beta, and then I won't have to worry about staying on top of it. Okay. So let's make my template file. I do every day. Wait. Get this right? Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'm going to be parsing some numbers, and then I'm going to be ranging over the split. Oh, no, that is the wrong data copy. I'm going to do this instead. It'll be fine. My brain's completely with it in the game, I swear. This will be just fine. Okay, cool. I'm ready to go, and we're going to progress past the geothermal vents, because yesterday we did the geothermal vents. Good luck to everyone who is just joining for the start and who is going to go solve it on their own. I wish you good luck. And for those of you who don't mind me being in the background, I'll be here solving as well. And as usual, my aim here is to be educational first, rather than aiming for pure speed. Sometimes the education helps me get a good score because I'm explaining things, which is like commenting them as I go. Okay, close my yesterday's input. And yesterday I did not have to use Go generics either, but maybe I'll need Go generics today. It's definitely been a thing where most of the things that I know how to do I already can do without generics, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Hello again. Also, thanks to the folks who subscribed while I was gone. I think Mr. Jacob O subscribed earlier today. Thank you. When you subscribe, this helps me pay for the captioning. I caption I make sure that the videos on demand are captioned even if my stream cannot be. Real-time captioners are several $100s per hour, and captioning of the stream afterwards is an order of magnitude less expensive. So that way it's at least some accessibility to folks who are deaf. And the puzzle is going live in just a few moments. 2, 1, 0. Let's load it up. So the theme this year is Santa's sleigh keys have gotten carried into the ocean. Okay. Number of days until it creates a new lanternfish. Okay, yep, I buy that. Creates a new fish, resets to 6, not 7, because 0 is a valid timer value. When it hits 0, okay, so this is just relates to having a bunch of ticks on an array. Okay, that is completely reasonable. I understand how to handle this. Okay, so let's paste this input in here, and what we're going to do is, because I know there's a trick here, I am not going to keep track of each individual fish. Instead, I'm going to keep track of the number of fish that have a certain time, because that is going to be the more efficient mechanism of doing it. So, again, this is a matter of picking the right primitive data structures. So I am going to type fish clock map from int to int. So make fish clock for n, underscore. So in fact, this is not even splitting on the contents of the string. This is just going to be so this should yield a number of results. I'm just going to print this once I'm done with this just to make sure that I'm correct, but a strconv a to I of s. And let's see. So we're going to have fish index n plus plus. So now let's just print out fish to make sure that I got the parsing right. Let's see the fish clock. Oh, yeah, that is technically a fish clock. Thank you for linking that. That's going to be split index 0, of course. In fact, actually, I don't need to do this. Let's do this way. We'll do it this way and avoid some complication, or maybe introduce some. I'm not sure which. Let's do that this way. Okay, cool. All right, so let's check this. So we've got 197 ones, and then we've got how many 19s? There should be 519 or 19 fives. Yep, that checks. Okay, I got it correct. Great. Okay. So let's do this, except for I'm going to call instead of I days. Okay. All right. And at the end, for range fish plus equals v 0 print line of count. Okay, so I know how I'm getting my answer. I just need to tick these. So after I tick, what's going to happen? So fish new fish equals make fish clock for kv in range fish, and then fish equals new fish. Okay, so if k is 0, then the fish reproduces. So then we're going to need to set new fish index internal timer will reset to 6. Does it always reset to 6? Yes. New fish index 6 plus equals v, and new fish index 8, I believe. Yeah, internal time. New lanternfish was an internal timer of 8. Great. Otherwise, new fish index k minus 1 equals b. Okay, that should basically do it. Oh, new fish actually needs to be instantiated this way. Fine. Okay, let's just go ahead and feed that in. That's not correct. Okay, so let's run it on the simple input. I suspect I just have an off by 1 error, though. Okay, so we'll do it this way. 6 simple. So let's just feed in this, and let's do this. Okay, so this yields 1080, which is wrong. Its internal timer resets to 6, and it creates a new lantern fish with timer 8. Another day. Oh, the internal timer would become 0. Yeah, so when the timer is 0, when the timer of the old fish is 0, it creates a new fish with 6 and a new fish with 8. Yeah, okay, so let's print out the fish at each stage. Oh. Oh dear, that's a problem. Oh, because I didn't, right. Missing a simple, for lack of a simple continue statement, this was lost. Okay, I feel extraordinarily silly. So now this yields 361, which is wrong. Let's try this in case I'm just off by 1 on the days. No, 520. Okay, that's still wrong. Okay. So what have I done wrong here? So I do need to print this out as I go. Okay. So first, after day 1, we're going to have 2 2s, 1 0, 1 3. Yep. Okay. What's not right here? Let's just do this temporarily. And do that, just to debug myself. There I was feeling good about myself, too. So this is going to be day plus... Okay. So allegedly, I should have, after 18 days, there should be 26 fish. Okay. Yeah, in fact that was correct. So after 18 days there are in fact, wait. Now this is wrong. Huh. Do I ever hit 26 fish? No, I skipped straight past it. Okay, so I've got a bug in my logic somewhere. So... Huh. Not sure what I did wrong here. Oh, the new learner starts with the counter internal timer of 8 and doesn't start counting down to the next day, but I did that. That's fine. This is going to be evaluated on the next day. Oh, this continue statement is misplaced. Okay. This is why I knew I should have done this differently. Here, we're going to do this way. That way, the likelihood of me making this mistake again is reduced. Okay. Oh. I am a little bit peeved at myself. Okay, now this should do what I expected. Okay, so now old fish is that iterates over old fish. Okay, now I get 260, which is still wrong, but in a subtly different way. What is subtly wrong about this now? Okay, let's print after 16 days now. After 16 days, oh, this might need to be center equal to, okay, now is this correct? Wait. How am I going? How am I going from 16? Fish are not dying. Fish should not be dying here. AV in range fish log fish equals, yeah. Okay, so we're going to need to print the debug arrays again. That's going to be cleaner. Okay. This is creating. Yep. Is that actually correct? Actually, let's reset my terminal so you can see this. Oh, because I needed 18 days. That's why. I misread 18 and 16 and contorted them into my mind. Okay. Yeah, so why is the total fish count going down? So that seems like a problem. No, the fish count is increasing. 18 days, there should be a total of 26 fish. After 1 day, we should have, yep, 1-3. Okay, that's correct. After day 2, should be 6 fish, and there should be 7. And there should be 9, then there should be 10, 10, 10, 10, 11. Okay, I'm pretty sure I have this correct. So what's causing me to... Fizbin says... oh, thank you. Fizbin says that there's a number of 6 style fish that is wrong. Really did not think something this simple would trip me up, and yet here we are. Because I'm scooching it down. if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And otherwise, I'm new lanternfish with a timer of 8. For another day, it will have a timer of 5 and 7. That looks right to me. If I do 1 extra day, what happens there? I'm not getting 26 fish. Okay, on day 5, there should be 10 fish, which there are. There's going to be 1 8. Oh, there it is. There's the problem. Day 5, yeah, there should be 1 8, 2 7s, yep. 1 6, not 2 6s. Why did that, how did that happen? Okay, so yeah, here's my. No, there are 2 6s. Yeah, there's a 6 here and a 6 here. Yep, so there are 2 6s. These are just out of order. Oh, because it's printing each fish as it goes down. Okay. I'm losing some information. Needs 2 more days for its first cycle, which causes it to have a timer of 8. Lanternfish that creates a new fish resets its timer to 6, not 7. New lanternfish starts with an internal timer of 8 and does not start counting it down until the next day. But I'm iterating over old fish, not original fish. This is a brand new fish array. And by definition, things are not sticking at 0 because I'm never populating 0 unless it's coming from 1. Okay, so what I really want to do so after 18 days, the claim is that there should be this many fish. Just make sure I have this correct. Okay, so after 18 days. Supposed to have 3 zeros, 5 1s, but I only have 3 1s. So things are supposed to slide over and are not sliding over. Okay, why are things not sliding over? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3. Hirings 2, 1, 0. Oh, I guess the. Am I sure I have the keys and values? Because the key is the number of days left. The value is the. Okay, if Irene's is here, this is and viewers are here. This means that this cannot be this difficult, and I'm just staring. I'm just staring at something that is making absolutely no sense. Oh. Damn it. One character messing me up. There we go. Now we get, yep, now I get 26 on day 18. So this, in fact, needed, yep. Okay. I am utterly full of rage. Thank you. Your hint about losing information was correct, but it was not the kind that I was thinking. Go 5934, that's fine. All right. I did warn you all. I was exhausted, and this is the kind of result that you get when you are super exhausted. So we're going to functionize this. Okay. So return count. Now we do this. Oh. Fortunately, my household has a rule against to have no negative self-talk. And we're going to iterate 256 days. Okay. This is. Okay, that is the same. Now I have this. That's correct. Okay, well, that was really not that challenging. I just was missing a plus character because I was going too fast. Okay, not going to be too hard on myself. This happens to everyone. This is part of modeling. This is part of modeling being able to deal with bugs as a principal engineer, is that sometimes you do make one character typos and you waste, well, in this case, I only wasted 10 minutes on it. Like, it really wasn't a big deal. Okay, yep. I completed the puzzle. Let's see what the graphic looks like, and then we'll go raid someone. Cool. Okay, yeah, there's more to the seafloor below that. Cool. Awesome. Let's get this checked in. All right, it's now been pushed to GitHub, so you can access it, github.com/LizTheGray/add from the code. Yeah, I haven't yet taken down production with my fish. Awesome, cool. I will see folks tomorrow about the same time, and hopefully I will be slightly less tired, although we'll see, because I am hosting workshop all this week. Okay, because Antony is kind of the port of where everyone winds up, I'm going to say hi to Yana, so let's go visit Yana.